In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on your WordPress app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so I'm going to open up WordPress and you can see what my font size is currently set to. I'm not logged in. This is just for demonstration purposes. So from here, I'm going to go back and now I need to head over to my settings app. Once I'm inside settings, I need to navigate lower and click into display. Once you're inside display, again scroll down and we need to find font size and style. Tap into it and right at the bottom of the page, you will see a slider. So if we move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size by that amount above, and if we move it to the left, it's going to decrease the font size, and you can see an example of that font size changing. So in order to make it larger, keep it near the right hand side. And then from here, I'm going to go back into WordPress and you can see the font size in WordPress has changed accordingly.